Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing headroom, set the YouTube player to 100% and your system volume around 70 to 85% so you have room to boost without clipping. Next, install a browser audio extension that provides an equalizer plus a modest volume booster. Keep initial gain to about +4 to +6 dB. Why? Because controlled preamp gain avoids distortion and lets later processing work. Once done, pick a reference track and switch to the highest available stream quality, so the EQ reacts to real content. Now you shape dynamics and tone. Insert an equalizer and gently raise low presence around 100 to 250 Hz for warmth and brighten 2 to 6 kHz for perceived loudness. Keep each boost conservative, 2 to 6 decibels. Then add a compressor to reduce peaks. Set a mild ratio like 2 to 4 to 1, moderate attack, and medium release so transient detail remains. Finally, place a limiter or brick wall at about -0.5 dB. This ensures peak finish by a /B testing. Play a trusted reference track and match perceived loudness or target a LUFS level if available, then tweak your preamp and limiter so your mix sits similarly. Save the EQ/compressor/limiter as a preset and load it in your browser tool or system equalizer so every YouTube video benefits. If things go wrong, use one key troubleshooting move. Reduce overall gain, or the compressor may cut by 1 to 3 dB. This cures most distortion, while keeping loudness gains intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.